Hi, my name's Chris, this is UK Bump Keys, and if you're familiar with UK Bump Keys and with me, you'll know that I absolutely love raking. Raking is a lot easier than single pin picking. I certainly advise newcomers to lock picking to have a look at the rakes and to get involved. It won't open as many locks as single pin picking, but the ones it does open, it will do quicker and with very little learning, which is great for morale. If you're just new to lock picking and you've got a set of picks and you've got some practice locks and you're not getting anywhere, it can become very frustrating and can put you off a passion that could otherwise last for a lifetime. If you get into raking, I guarantee you're going to start opening locks. Got a standard little 5-pin Euro cylinder here. I've got the Sparrows OCTO RAKE there. Standard tension tool with different width inserts on the end. I'll plop that in there and I'm going clockwise with that. Now when you are raking, think about it, a lot of people are just going like this, in and out, in and out, in and out, and out. That certainly got popularised with the Bogotars. There's another kind of raking where you go in and you just drag it out, apply tension and just drag it out, and sometimes that'll work, and you can use a half diamond or a ball pick, anything. With these kind of rakes, it's more of a rocking technique, which is sometimes why they'll be called rocker picks. If you think about it, we're not only going in and out, but we've also got some up and down movement we can use, and we can also use circular movements. We can also rock the rake, so it's a combination of all of those. The tension wrench doesn't only apply tension. This is how we read feedback. We get feedback down the pick, but most of it, certainly in my experience, comes down the wrench. When we're using a rake especially, we can feel for the different feedback in the tension tool. What's it telling me? Sometimes the lock will pull the wrench back that way and let it do that. Sometimes it will appear to give you some movement to go more clockwise, so take that. Sometimes pins will be locked up and nothing's moving, so you know to relax it. Sometimes you can pulse it, so you're just gently applying pressure in time with your motion. So you're just feeling for changes in the lock and you're having a go at all the different varieties of movement. So you don't get frustrated and start putting too much pressure on the wrench. It's still quite gentle. Not nothing. I think there's a lot of lock pickers sort of say it's like a feather or just, you know, nothing. But it is, you know, there's still a fair amount of tension. You're still trying to get a movement out of the plug and to give you information regarding how to go. So I can feel things changing in there. And then sometimes it might seem like a good idea, just reset the lock, get any pins back in where they should be and start from scratch again. And there you go, brilliant, that's excellent. Thank you very much. That's the OCTO RAKE from UK Bump Keys.